Well, you have just a few more hours left before the Rolling Hills Casino celebration at the pump comes to an end. Action News Now reporter Rayshad Pinckney went to the Travel Center to show us why these fuel savings are so unique.
July 31st is significant to the Rolling Hills community. Why? Because it's been 24 years that they have been serving the communities. And what that means for you, gas, food, and game discounts. 24 years ago, on July 31st, Rolling Hills Casino and Resort was established in Corning. Now they're giving travelers a break at the pump with 24-cent reduction in gas prices as a way to show their gratitude for being able to serve the community. And people took advantage.
For you, I wouldn't have got gas this morning.
We got more people. Yeah. You say you know about the gas because of what we did on the news?
Yeah, I saw you this morning, man.
That's awesome. How many gallons you plan on getting?
5.
5? Okay.
But,
all right, man, that's going to be enough?
For today, yeah.
All right, did you know about the discount before today?
No, I seen it on the news this morning.
On Action News?
Yeah.
How many gallons you plan on getting?
I'm filling up right now.
Maybe not everybody is thrilled about the discount.
What discount?
What discount?
My name is Catalina. Hello. I'm from Chile, so the rate for the gasoline is very, very different.
And fuel isn't the only thing the number 24 is impacting.
Fat Burger will have $2.40 burgers. The steakhouse will have a 10-ounce steak with potatoes and broccoli for $24. Then Rock and Brews will have 2 burgers, 2 fries, 2 drinks for $24.
And that's not all. We even found a winner of the $240 hourly drawing. What's your name, sir?
Les Brown.
Les Brown. Les Brown, you just told me...
I won $240 in free gas.
Yeah. And if you're wondering whether the Travel Center's fuel tanks will hold up, let's just say they have that covered.
That one's 20,000. This one's 20,000. That one's 20,000. I think that one's...
And so these are all separate tanks. 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, and a 30,000 tank. Okay, gotcha.
Luis
Luis.
Valdez.
All right, Luis. I actually saw you about 15 minutes ago, and you're still at the pump. What's going on?
Oh, the pumps are a little slow.
You're a little slow.
Everybody's pumping.
This deal started at 6 a.m. this morning and runs until 10 o'clock tonight. So if you want to save, you'll want to get here fast. At Rolling Hills Casino, I am Rayshad Pinckney, Action News Now.
Well, tribal gas stations like Rolling Hills can often offer lower fuel prices because of their different tax structure, which can reduce some of the taxes included in the price of gasoline.
I mean, the $4 range is still so much money, but some of those deals were great. $2.40 for a burger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're just that wasn't a great deal 10 years ago,
No.
but today it's a great deal.
Oh, yeah, especially there at Fat Burger. I mean,
Yeah,
yeah, it's
for
nothing.
sure.
Let's all go.